Hi, I'm Leah Blesoff from Brown Harris Stevens, and today I'm so excited to show you a beautiful apartment at London Terrace, located at 410 West 24th Street, apartment 6L. Let's take a look. Apartment 6L is a beautifully renovated corner one bedroom with home office that strikes a perfect balance between easy elegance and comfortable living. The well-appointed kitchen boasts top-of-the-line appliances, including Bosch dishwasher and LG stove, and features a spacious walk-in pantry with plenty of room for your kitchen appliances to keep them easily accessible. There is ample closet space throughout, delightful original details, and with 9.5-foot ceilings and an abundance of windows, the apartment is light and bright with a lovely flow and has charming tree-lined views to the west and northern city views. Situated in the heart of the West Chelsea Arts District, London Terrace Towers boasts incredible amenities like a breathtaking swimming pool with incredible original Art Deco mosaic design, steam room, saunas, and state-of-the-art fitness center run by the Right Fit, and is surrounded by the best in dining, art galleries, high-end shopping, nightlife, Hudson Park, the High Line, and Chelsea Piers. Thank you for joining me at apartment 6L at London Terrace. If you have any questions or would like to visit this property in person, please feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to show you around.